Right now, though, we want to get you back to testimony. The jury is watching a police body cam video of when the first officer arrived at the crime scene. Let's go in to watch as well.
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Hey, come outside for a minute. Hey, come here. Hey, where's your wife at, bud? Where's your wife at?
She's dead on the floor in that room.
She where? Sheriff's office! Hello? That's I need medical here. I need you to go. Hey, where's your son wearing? Hey, can you tell me what your son's wearing? Hey, I need you to talk to me. What is your son wearing?
He was in jeans and a grayish t-shirt. He's got short, brownish hair.
So, jeans, a gray t-shirt, short brown hair.
She ran into the backyard. I tried to follow her. She jumped the fence and ran. She shot me in the neck. It's okay.
Does she still have the gun?
It's on the kitchen counter. I think there's one live round left in it. I opened the cylinder. I went in the back door. She tried to shoot me.
Hey, I need some gloves. Hey, he's saying that she ran towards Magnolia Place.
Are you sure?
He's grazed, but he's too. It went through his shirt.
You got me right there.
Magnolia Place, that gate is subdivision.
She went over the side back towards my vehicle. She might have looked around this way.
Might look back, going back towards the pond right there. Hey, she does not have the firearm, but the arm is here at the house. Hey, he's been grazed, but he's too. He didn't really not get She's laying in the floor with a towel. That's all that went to, so. Look at this glove. favor? Will you take that tape right there and just go those strings? Actually, go for the mat box. Is it through?
Yeah, it went in the front and out the back.
It's a 357.
C7? 14. She's like a straight AC.
Does she have any kind of, what's her name, bud?
Carly Gregg.
Carly Gregg? How old is she?
14. She'll be 15 next month. And work, she's got me work for the door.
She jumped a fence, he said. She didn't go out the back door. Is he the only one? No, we got one. She's in that one. Okay. The back door is locked. She did not go out the back door. Therefore, that's what he's claiming. Gray shirt, blue jeans, short brown hair. Hey, y'all do be advised, there's several firearms in the house. But the one that he's saying was used is laying on the table, but that doesn't mean she's not on it.
We don't know if she's gone. We're going to...
All right, look to me. You going?
Yeah, I got it.
9682. There was a white male walking in whenever I was coming in. She's 14.
Body cam video sure does give you a perspective on what happened. You just heard in that video the law enforcement officer saying almost in disbelief, she's 14. Let's squeeze in another break. We're going to see more of that dramatic police body cam video when Court TV Live returns.
Join Court TV's Vinnie Politan
In every story, in every trial, every case, there's at least two sides to it.
to dive into the latest
Oh my God.
and breaking true crime stories
This was a very targeted, very personal attack.
inside
I've never seen that in Discovery. I've been incarcerated 3 years.
and outside of the courtroom.
She's a psychopath.
Now, let's look at the other side of all of that.
Vinnie Politan investigates tonight, 9/8 Central, only on Court TV.
Let's get you back to court in the deadly daughter murder trial for more of that police body cam video.
Hey, buddy, listen to me, okay? I need to get some information from you. What is her name again?
Carly, C-A-R-L-Y.
C-A-R-L-Y?
Carly Madison Gregg, G-R-E-G-G.
G-R-E-G-G?
She's my stepdaughter.
All right.
Her dad lives in Starkville, and we're having all kind of problems with him. He's
Okay.
drugs and
All right. What is your name, sir?
Heath Smylie.
Heath Smylie?
D.
Okay. What's your wife's number? Name?
Ashley Smylie.
All right.
Have you called her? Have you called her? Your wife. I did call her number twice, and I ran in there looking for her, and then I went in the room.
Hey, how old is Ashley? How old's your wife?
40.
40? Great. I need you to find an Ashley Smylie. Ashley Smylie, 40 years of age, white female. Also, I got 27 for the other victims. 801-151-492. 801-151-492. Ashley Smylie, she's 40 years old, and then the one we're looking for is Gregg. She's 14. They've been having issues with her and the dad, so this is a stepfather. But if it's hey, we need anything else from him, if it's wrong with him, I said we'll probably send somebody up there with him. Yeah. You go to UC, right? Baptist? Where you go? Yeah, I'm saying. Go to people you know. Go to people you know. Sorry about that. No, you're fine. That's why I was trying to look like. So you're going to want to see? What? The all little girl's mother. There's several guns in the house. I need a crime
All right, let us bring back in criminal defense personal injury attorney Samantha Vacciana. Samantha, I have to ask you first about the defendant, because it's been pointed out to me that in other hearings in which we've seen this now 15-year-old, she isn't crying, she doesn't have tears. But this hearing, from the very first witness, when she listened to the 911 call, she's watching this body cam video, she is not just crying, but ugly crying, covering her face, shaking her head, all of these things. Is it sincere to you?
I think so. I think what's happening
probably for the first time, she's realizing what she actually did. She's hearing her stepfather, what he's saying, and all the things that are happening around her. And I think for the first time, it's probably hitting home that, oh my God, what did I do? As I said, I think at her age, all of those things need to be taken into consideration, because I don't think she's putting on an act.
And, you know, again, the father said again on that body cam video to the police, we've been having all kinds of problems. And so on one hand, you hear some saying, oh, that we didn't know there were mental health issues. But then you hear these things. Clearly, they knew there were problems they were trying to deal with in the home. And it begs the question, I am not blaming a victim, but it begs the question about a gun being accessible in a home where you're also dealing with issues with your teenager.
Judge, this is the issue that I take with a lot of parents who their children are having mental health issues and they leave a loaded firearm in the home. And again, we're not victim blaming, but it's just, it's a concern, right? And if they knew they were having problems, why have a gun in the house?
Yeah, it's just a horrible case. We know the father has been in support of the defendant, 14, now 15, being tried as an adult. How much do you think her appearance, her age, are going to affect a jury in terms of determining guilt or not guilty?
Listen, defense has a hard battle. They have an uphill battle. There are some facts about this case that have come out, for example, calling the friend over. All of those things do show, again, some kind of mental deterioration, but a jury may say, listen, there's too much of this that could be actually considered premeditated.
Yeah, and I still stand by, and I just want you to give me your last thoughts. The fact that the body was what I would call posed, the arms crossed over the body. I'm assuming someone had to have done that, i.e. the daughter, and a towel over her face. Your last thoughts as we have to go to break.
I don't know, again, I don't know if I agree the daughter can move a body like that. I don't know. But it also suggests to me that something else is going on. There's a mental break. There's something happening with this 14-year-old.
Yeah, I agree. And I think that the defense is likely to show the jury those things. All right. Thank you so much, Samantha, for joining us today. Greatly appreciate you.